In this video, we're playing catch up again. I had caught up some savings challenges that I had missed last week. I caught them up, I believe, Sunday or Monday, one of the two, but I can't remember. But anyway, so I was caught up, and then I missed yesterday's video, which was savings challenge number 2, which I do on Tuesdays, and today is Wednesday, but I'm just showing you how it is good to be consistent. And if you can catch up your savings challenge, if you happen to miss, that will be a good idea. That will help you to stay on track. That will help you to continue to save your money in this 52-week savings challenge. And I know sometimes you may have to miss, but if you can catch it up, it would be a good idea to do that. So join me in this savings challenge where we're catching up. Savings challenge number 2. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2026. Let's save more money in 2026, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you will subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video, because there may be someone that could use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video? I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for a emergency fund. And you will be happy when you will have some money to tap into when emergency comes, if it comes. I'm not saying it's going to come, but you know, we want to be ready. We want to be prepared. We want to have money to tap into. It is nothing worse than being in this situation when emergency comes and having no money. Trust me, been there, done that, don't want to do that no more. Yeah, and I have 7 savings challenges, and today's savings challenge number 2, which I do on Tuesdays, even though today is Wednesday. This is, you know, this may be catch-up week. Yeah, because last week I missed 3 videos, I think it was. Yeah, I did. So, and I was caught up Monday, I think, and then I missed yesterday. But anyway, I'm just creating this video to encourage and motivate someone to start saving for emergency. Plus, if you get to the point you have to miss, where you can catch it up. Okay? All right, we want to stay on track with this. I know it doesn't seem important to people because a lot of people are not saving money for emergency. Did you know the average American cannot cover a $100 emergency? That is not a lot of money. But still, you want to have money to tap into. Yeah. So like I said, I have 7 savings challenges, and this savings challenge number 2. And what you need for this savings challenge is some envelopes like these. Can you see that? And this, a $5 bill. Okay? And this is considered cash stuffing envelopes. Now, I've seen savings challenges where people were cash stuffing 100 envelopes. Now, this particular savings challenge is 300 envelopes. And when they're stuffed with $5, no, not 300 envelopes, I'm sorry. It's 60 envelopes. And when they're stuffed with $5 bills, it is going to equal up to $300. That's what I meant to say. Now, I went with that small amount to help someone if they're in this situation or this situation. Okay? Yeah. $5 is not a lot of money. And what we're doing was cash stuffing these envelopes every Tuesday And that's 4 times a month, so that's $20 a month. That is not a lot of money. If you sit down and look at how much money coming in, how much going out, and you will find that you're spending money on something that you don't need. We all do it. We all do it. So that way you can find your $20 a month, your $5 a week. Okay, so what you can do, we know we need to save at least $1,000, and that will cover ourselves to $1,000. But we don't want to stop there. But anyway, this is going to be, once this is completed, it's going to be $300. So once you get $300, then you can save another $300, then another $300, and then $100. That's $1,000 right there. See how easy that is? It takes patience, consistent, and discipline. And when you're saving for your emergency fund, you got to be disciplined, not touching it. You know, live on less than what you make. Watch your spending. Staying out of this. Don't spend money like there's no tomorrow. Go to the grocery store, buy food, and meal prep. And if you're a person that likes to drink this coffee, they sell it at the store. You can make your own coffee, and you'll have more coffee and spend less money. Now, I have here my Starbucks coffee. My Starbucks coffee cup, which someone gave me this for Christmas one year. And it had packs of coffee in it. And I think some candy too. But I don't drink coffee. There's nothing wrong with coffee. I just never really could stand the taste of it. I don't care how sweet it is. It kind of has a bitter taste. I just don't like coffee. But anyway, what I do with this coffee cup, every morning I pour a bottle of water in here and I put it in the microwave for 1 minute, 35 seconds. And then I take it out and I add a dash of cinnamon, Ceylon cinnamon. Okay? Ceylon cinnamon. I get it off of Amazon. Sometimes it's at my local grocery store, but sometimes they're out of it. But I get on Amazon and Ceylon cinnamon, just a dash, not that much. And then I cut a lemon in half and I squeeze half a lemon in here. And I put a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And then I drop the lemon in here and I drink it warm or hot every morning. And I also have a stainless steel straw that I drink from. So this is what I do with my coffee cup every morning. I drink that on an empty stomach before I eat breakfast. Okay? All right, so, but like I said, there's nothing wrong with coffee. I'm just not a coffee drinker. Yeah, okay, so now we don't want to just save $1,000. We want to save at least 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. Why is that? Because if something like this happens, you can still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, your car insurance, your life insurance. You know, I know sometimes we don't think about these things, but you want to be in a position where you have this. Just like, was it last year? All those people lost their jobs. And just think, if they had 3 to 6 months of their living expenses, I'm not saying nobody didn't have it, but, you know, if they didn't and if they had that, they would have been not stressed. And that's what it does. It gives us peace of mind. When we have an emergency fund, it gives us peace of mind. We have 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. We have peace of mind. We can still sleep. We ain't got to wonder where we're going to get the money. We won't have to run out and get one of these. Or one of these. Or one of these. And run up a bunch of these. Okay? Yeah. We don't want to do that. We want to stay out of this. Because this is this. And we want to, this is not free money, y'all. No, it's not. You pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. Now, if this is your situation, do whatever you can to increase it. Have multiple streams of income, more than one, because you never know what's going to happen to the other one, the one you have. Okay? Now, this here is good because this is using other people's money. and that can help you to be financially free and have passive income. Now, another thing that will help you if you do whatever you can to start trying to come out of this. I drive my car and it is free from this. Paid off. And I paid this off and I absolutely love it. Okay? All right. That way you can invest and that can help you to build wealth. All right? All right. Now, we are going to read our daily affirmations. No, we're going to speak it because the Bible teaches us, call those things as be not as though they were. Death and life is in the power of our tongue, and we have what we say. Okay? I decree and I declare, large sums of money now coming to me. Money chases me down. I decree and I declare I am prosperous. Send prosperity now. I decree and I declare I am debt free. I owe no man nothing. I decree and I declare I have more than enough money. I decree and I declare my checking account and my savings account balance is, and speak what you want it to be, and speak it with power and authority. I decree and I declare all of my bills are paid in full, all my needs are met. I decree and I declare I do not live in lack or want. I decree and I declare I am financially free. I decree and I declare I am a money magnet. I decree and I declare I'm a rich, wealthy, multi-millionaire right now in the mighty name of Jesus. Yeah. Believe it, receive it, expect it. Are you expecting? I am. Like when you go to your mailbox to get your mail, don't go in there looking for bills. Go in that mailbox looking for checks. Yes. Look for them. Even though you don't know they coming, look for them. Okay? All right. Believe it. Receive it. Start visualizing these things. If you see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. Yeah. All right. Okay. Now, let's go ahead. Okay. These are stuff. And these are stuff. And these are stuff. Okay. So let's go ahead and count our money. What we have saved since the beginning of 2026. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And we're going to add this. $30. Yay! We saved $30 so far. Okay? All right. Okay, let's go ahead and record this right quick. I enjoy doing these videos, and I want to say thank you all for joining me. Thank you all for supporting. Thank you all for all the comments that you all are leaving me. Okay, so we're going to record this on the 10th, which was yesterday, and this is our cash stuffing envelopes, and we added $5, so the total amount is $30. Yay! Okay, I want to say I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got great value out of this video. Drop me a comment, let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or any of the other savings challenges. Let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.